Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a channel on Slack. To get started, you want to go ahead and open a web browser of your choice. I'll be using Chrome for this. You want to go ahead and type app.slack.com. You want to click on enter. Okay, you want to go ahead and click on try for free. Okay, I'm going to enter my email. You want to check for the code. You want to go ahead and click create a workspace. Alright, so you want to go ahead and choose the name for your channel. Alright, I'm going to put graphics design company and then click on next. What's your team working on right now? For graphics project. And then I'm going to click on next. To give Slack a spin, add a few co-workers you talk with regularly. I'm just gonna put so you can actually skip this. I'm gonna skip it. Simplify your team's work. You need a few teammates here. Okay, I want to go ahead and skip this. I'm gonna skip this. Right, so it's launching graphics design company right now. As you can see, this is my team's first channel. All right, so you want to add more Slack channels to your account. What you need to do is to come and click on add channels, all right? And then click on create a new channel. And then here you want to go ahead and give your channel a name. Let's say I want to create this channel for video editing, all right? Video editing. And then I'm going to say for video editing and motion graphics, right? And then you can choose to make it private or not. All right, it is up to you. And then you can choose to share it outside graphics design. All right, then you want to go ahead and click on create once you're satisfied. All right, so you're going to get this dialog box right here, and you can add email of those you want to invite. All right, I don't have anybody I want to invite. It is all up to you. If you have any teammates you want to invite, you can go ahead and enter the email of the teammate right here and invite the person. You can check this box to automatically add anyone who joins graphics design company. All right, and then you can also put an email here to invite people to join graphics design company. You can also enter the email of your team members here to add them to video editing channel. Okay, and then for me, I'm gonna go ahead and skip this for now. And as you can see, video editing channel has been created, and this is my second channel. All right, so the channel is about video editing and motion graphics. Guys, this is how to create a channel on Slack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.